All right, so we got another AI video here for you. So what we'll do in this video is show you how you can create a brand voice for your AI features that are inside of your account. So this will help you be able to go ahead and tell the system about your company, provide some information about like your brand values, um, uh, what type of services you provide. Um, Pretty much just give the computer or the system information about your brand so that way you don't have to keep retyping this information. It'll go ahead and customize different AI responses for you according to the information that you feed it about your brand. So I'm going to show you a simple way to be able to input this information so that way you can use it across all of your AI features inside of your account. All right, so let's get started. If I go to settings on the menu on the left, okay, and then I want to look for brand, brand boards right here at the bottom. Okay, in brand boards, you'll see that there's a design kit where you can go ahead and upload like your specific logos and colors and designs, but we just want to focus on brand voice. But this section and this menu option will allow you to be able to use this across anything inside of your account. That way you don't have to keep re-uploading this information. Um, so let's start with brand voice. And we're gonna create the most simplest and quickest way that you can do this. That way you won't have to spend a ton of time on this. So we're gonna get started. We're gonna click on add brand voice. Okay, that's this blue button on the right. And you can choose to start one from scratch, but like I said, we want to do a simple and quick and easy way to set this up. So we're going to do text or URL. So this will be able to pull in some information for us automatically. That way we don't have to type a bunch of stuff. All right, so we can give our brand voice a name, and this can be anything you want it to be. This is just for your internal account information, so that way you can locate it and recognize what it is. So let's just say we just call it information about company. Okay, you can give a description of your brand to help create the brand voice. That's optional. And also add in a reference URL. Now, you want to make sure you add a reference URL because your URL should have a bulk of information on the site about what your business is and what you provide. All right, so for example, let's do one that everybody kind of recognizes. So make sure that you put your HTTPS and then the colons and then the backslash in the front. And then we're going to let's do Shopify. All right. So we're going to do Shopify and then we're going to hit continue. All right. So now it's going to create the brand voice for you. And I'm going to show you exactly how this inputs this information. It's so cool. All right. So, okay, here we go. All right. So now it inputs the information. So now it plugged in the name of the company here, what type of business this is. It plugged in that it recognized that it was a SaaS e-com platform. Here's your website that you inputted before. You can put in the company email address here as well too. If you want to put in the company address, you can do that as well too. Your business hours, your phone number. All right, so here is the meat of it. All right, our brand and communication and personality, and then the brand identity and marketing position. See, it plugged in all of this information from the website, just the website for you. So this is what you can do for your own site. You plug in your own website and it'll pull out all of the information from your website and plug it in here. So now all you have to do, if you would like, is just tweak it. If you don't like what it says, or if you just want to add a couple of things like for the target audience, you can update that information here. your customers' pain points, the brand's promise, brand's values, and it gives you a little description here at the bottom. So that way you can understand what it exactly is asking you. So like a brand promise is focused on the unique value you provide to your audience. What makes you better than your competitors. And it pulled in this information as well too. And so now here's another brief description. Why should customers choose you over others? So that way you can understand what this particular field is talking about and what it needs from you. So like I said, feel free to go through this, tweak it how you want to, or keep it as is. And then once you have completed that, you will hit save brand voice in the upper right hand corner. Just make sure you have everything in here filled out. So let's see what we're missing here. You can also change the tone of the voice here, but you can click on what they have here that's available. Let's see what's missing. That's filled out. That's filled out. All right. All right. So I just typed in like my email address here. And then my button was able to highlight over here in the upper right hand corner. So we'll just click save brand voice. And then now the brand voice has been saved. So now you can use it throughout your other AI features inside of your account. So make sure that you set this up so that way this will make the process of setting up your other AI features a whole lot easier. All right.